Hello mga kabusan, essential vocabularies, medium sounds. To be alert, manta, manta. To trust, mitta, mitta. To eat, mokta, mokta. To be heavy, mogopta, mogopta. To be delicious, mashitta, mashitta. To be correct, matta, matta. To be scary, mosopta, mosopta. To be cool, moshitta, moshitta. Supermarket, matu, matu. To drink, mashida, mashida. To meet, manada, manada. To make, mandilda, mandilda. To talk, malhada, malhada. Taste, mat, mat. Everyday, mail, mail. Head, mori, mori. To be par, molda, molda. To not know, moroda, moroda. Shape, moyang, moyang. Hat, moja, moja. Necklace, mokkori, mokkori. Scarf, mokdori, mokdori. Bat, mogyok, mogyok. Body, mum, mum. Body weight, mommoge, mommoge. To not do well, mothada, mothada. What, moot, moot. Door, moon, moon. Text message, monja, monja.